Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge on Things YouTube channel. Now I am showing MI 4K box setup with LED TV. So this is my Micromax LED TV. I'm going to connect MI 4K box. So this is a new MI 4K box and this is the power plug for the MI box. So I'm connecting the power pin to the MI box. See the voice search option, notification, settings, and some notifications like connected Wi-Fi and Android system update. And below you can see the apps which are available in your MI box and additional apps which you installed at setup time. Now I am opening YouTube app, so I am playing some video. This is how you can set up your MI box with your LED TV. I'm playing the Tom and Jerry, which is my favorite show. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.